Welcome back to Zone for Geeks. My name is Casey, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier mics. Before we get started, I wanted to note that this product was purchased by me and is not sponsored at all. If you want to support the channel, an affiliate link is in the description below. I purchased this lav mic from Amazon, and at the time of purchase, it was $119. I purchased a combo, which does come with a few extras, but you can get it for about $20 to $30 cheaper without these extras. The product package states that it has a 1,000 foot range, noise canceling technology, and can offer 30 hours of battery life. Let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, opening it up. The first thing that we see is that Hollyhead provides us with some stickers so that we can cover up the lavalier logo. There are some smiley faces, some colors, and some black and white ones, although the white one might be a little difficult to see. We have some product documentation. And a packing list. I'm going to move the box out of the way for just a minute. And here we have the actual product itself. So this is the charging case. It is very well packaged. Very strong, sturdy material. Has a nice solid feel when opening and closing. And then if we take a look inside, we have our two microphones, and then we have our 3.5 millimeter wireless jack. So if we pull out one of the microphones, this is what it looks like. It is very tiny, and on the back is a magnet so that you can connect it to your clothes. The magnet is very strong, so you should not have a problem with t-shirts and standard polo microphones. Both of these are identical, and they both have the magnets on the back. Right here we have our receiver. So this is going to be for the 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can see it right there. And then on the side we have a couple of buttons for power and something else that I don't know.
Hi there, Future Casey here. So that button that I mentioned, I didn't know what it did, actually is used for pairing as well as turning on or off the noise cancellation feature of the microphone.
We do have a volume wheel. I will say this volume wheel does not feel as the same quality as some of the other construction build quality on this thing. And then we have a small clip where we can clip it to a camera, or we can clip it to a lapel or something like that. Alright, so we will move this out of the way. And then coming back to the box, so because I bought the combo, I do get a couple of extra receivers. So we have an iPhone lightning cable. And so this, of course, is for the iPhone or an iPad if you decide that you want to go with that route. And then we also have a USB-C receiver that can be used for an Android or for a computer with a USB-C connection. So opening it up still further, that's everything in the box. I'm going to move that out of the way. And we're going to open up our pouch here. Nice little carrying pouch. Couple of extras in here. And that is everything in our pouch. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. These are going to be extra clips, so they do have magnets attached to them, so we can take the magnet off of this and place it, make sure it's got the right polarity, so these are magnets, and it will clip to your lav mic like that. So these are great if you're wearing some kind of thick clothing like a coat or something along those lines. This is going to be, you'll get 2 necklaces, also with mics or with magnets. So once again, you can connect the lav to the magnet, and you will get 2 of those. Stop them from sticking together. And we'll worry about that later. You have a 3.5mm jack to connect your receiver to your camera. Get some of this trash out of the way. You have 2 dead cats, and these are going to be for a windscreen for your microphone. So you can connect them in this way, and then it will help protect against the wind. We'll just put those right there. And then finally, we have a USB-A to USB-C connection. So you can connect your receiver to another computer. Okay, now that we have everything unboxed, let's connect the mics and do a sound check. This is what my Canon R6 Mark II sounds like with just the built-in microphone. Now I'm going to switch to the Lark M2. Now this is what the Lark M2 sounds like. I have the receiver connected to my camera via the 3.5mm jack. I'm recording in mono and have not made any compression or settings changes to improve the out-of-the-box audio quality. Okay, now let's take it outside and test this noise cancellation feature. Okay, I'm standing outside with my air conditioner running, so you can hear this giant fan. Not sure if you can actually hear me or not. We'll find out when I get it back to the editing floor. But there's also cars driving back and forth and birds chirping. So this is the built-in microphone for the camera. And now I'm going to switch over to the Lark M2. Okay, so now I have the Lark M2 recording. Once again, same spot, air conditioner still running, birds chirping, and cars driving by. So let me know what you think the difference is. Okay, so the last thing that I tested was the longevity of the microphone. According to the Lark M2 description, there is a 40-hour battery life. However, in my testing, I was only able to get 10 hours of battery before the mic died. I reached out to Hollyland for clarification, and they stated that the 40 hours of battery life is with repeated charging from the charging case. This is really stretching the truth in my opinion. However, 10 hours of single use will satisfy most people. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Unboxings are not something I do often, so if you want to see more, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.